But moving forward, make we waka enter the one way concern politics, because we did the center of everywhere they happen for the political boxing ring. All the gladiators them, they don't they sharpen their sword, do every way concern politics. But today we want to chook our eye for one very critical issue. When it be say, over time since 1960, we don't witness them. And waiting be this very thing we don't witness. We silently, we don't know whether it help us or it kill us for inside our political terrain for Nigeria. And waiting be this thing. Now, the politics of succession for government. Waiting be succession. Now say, who they power? Go look for somebody like a forerunner, somebody when he go put on top of the seat as him they come out. And that won't be succession. So we want to look chook our eye put where we're today to see whether it really they help us for Nigeria, or this might be one of the major problems we face every day. But to put perspective, to make it clear where we're for us, we get one go get person when he be say he go pull mat, talk him the way it's supposed to be with us today. And the person now Adeniyi Kunnu, now broadcast journalist and now also a social commentator. Mr. Adeniyi, welcome to the Good Morning Naija show.
Thank you. I say good morning to Una for inside studio.
Good morning, Kunnu. Welcome. Always good to see you.
Yes,
so Kunnu could jump into politics of succession as Chukwudu don't take or Chukwudu don't take talk. I mean, we not go say they bespoke to Nigeria alone, because we don't see other countries where we say people don't talk say, oh, I didn't go like me this person take over from them and all that. But you feel safe for Nigeria, now a big problem for us so far.
Politics of succession no be waiting we go say now we start them. Because if we look at democracy don't begin for as far back as 7th century Greek city-states. So that's one the classical era as we go talk am. But if we look contemporary democracy and the kind of governance where we practice, it go good make we go America. Because now the presidential system where they practice there, now they practice now. Make I just go period where we say Bill Clinton won't come off for power, be after I don't come off for power. Record shows say he pour anointing oil for Obama head.
True.
And when he poured the anointing oil for his head, now for Obama to emerge as Democratic candidate, because many aspirants then they. After Obama emerged, he also stand with them, talk with them. He can't come on hand, leave Obama with every other person where be say go vote for America. If we also look the time where be say the likes of George Bush Jr. did and all of that, at every point where be say one person won't come out, if they reach one stage where be say the person where they come out for office will support person where he believes say get capacity to take down. When me I be undergraduate, I hold national position for this country. And even as a core member, I do the same. When time reached for me to come off for office, among the people who be say they with us, I see one boy from Kogi State, where Sabi. He no book, he Sabi. But the boy can't do campaign manager for another person. We no get sense, Richard. One day, now, I no talk, I just see what they happen. I dey use myself first before I go this matter, because he dey everywhere. Okay. I don't go America. I don't come my own. Okay. I don't feel be hypocrite. I go enter Nigeria.
Because Nigeria will be
our religion. One day, now in the talk, I say, oh boy, how are you doing now? He say, fine. I say, you don't consider say you fit add value for this leadership position. He say, he be campaign manager. I say, no problem. But I want to make you go sleep. Look yourself, look calm. The thing where you sabi and the thing where you sabi, even for this politics, they make you come back. Now, so I take pour anointing oil. I say, me, I go stand by, because I know, say, you did very committed past the person where they doing campaign manager. Now, me see him. Now, me be the president. Now, me won't come out there. Now, me see the capacity. And me, I know hide them. I say, try make you go think him. So you will come back. When you think and I say, not true. The day when he decide to stop to be campaign manager for the other person, he become an enemy. But I say,
naturally.
But I say, because you stand kajad, he stand, he win, and he do better than I do.
But okay, for Nigerian politics only, not say they use them.
Reason you from one other angle.
I go like me.
I give reference to America.
Yes.
That before you come back.
My own matter.
You can use yourself as a case study.
Yes.
Now make we look the political term will be Nigeria.
Yes, now.
I go drag them to Akwa Ibom as a case study. Why I drag them go Akwa Ibom? Because most of the time for Nigeria own, maybe not be the same mindset where you take look the capacity of that person. They won't bring them, not be so it be most time for government of Nigeria. Then they get a lot of interest there inside.
That's true.
Now, the case of Akwa Ibom, why I bring them to the fore, be say, we don't sample opinion of the masses. We don't sample opinion of the government. They say, that they always want to bring somebody with them. They say, okay, this person, now my paddy government.
Yes.
Not because of say that they reflect the heart of the masses. So how we fit a bridge this kind of gap when the masses will get a say to waiting when the masses voice now go fit they loud reach whoever be the government, whoever they the position we want to bring a succession.
Number one thing we say, anytime we say we get election, you go see area boys with stick, with iron. Some of them go come with gun. We go say, I no fit die, I live on for them. And our population, for those of us where they go vote, is like times 100 of those who they carry stick and gun. So in the first place, when politicians push area boys go election center or polling center, at the talk of election now, if Nigerians where they go vote say, anybody among them will come, we go give them the best beating of their life so that they don't go feel turn our own vote. The same politician go fear to bring person where we say, go come cover and yash. Make I tell you, for Kwara State, before the Autogate movement, we come out PDP for government. Abdul Fattah Ahmed will be the person will take over from Bukola Saraki, now commissioner for finance. Many people say this man no get capacity, but because Saraki no want make it, we say person go open and yash for the money, we be say a collect, or be any kind of financial misappropriation. Men bring that one. Now only Lagos, it be like say, Bola Tinubu think where before he suggest say make Fashola first take over. Don't also forget say by the time where Fashola do first time, the same Bola Tinubu won't come out and now Lagos and one and say, if you try him, we no go vote for now. The man respects himself. If you say Lagos no stand, now so Tinubu and some other 40 kingmakers, the kakus, now so they for turn everything upside down. So the people where they vote get mouth, leg, and say, we go make person will be saying I be kingmaker fear to do anything where they wrong. But because I don't see if they do something now. For instance, now you see as we did now. For virtually all the streets of Lagos, you go see area boys, they carry stick, they stop trailer, they collect money, you go see them divide road. Governor no talk. Vote, people where they vote no talk. So they go believe say they don't keep quiet, make with the right rough shot over them. So one thing where they prevent that kind of one will be say, you know say person no sabi, but you want make it take over because now you go cover your yard for the money where you take. And people no say, lie will not go agree. Immediately they see say, people where they vote no they talk, they go do more because they believe say they don't care. And the elites, they're very responsible for waiting they affect the politics. So we say they allow negative succession. Anybody where they work, for instance, for my house, I know any of my people will be say, if I say, who they there? I know the one will go first answer me. I know the one will go do like say, my brother they there making go answer papa. So the one where me I know say they quick answer me, I go quick they give them attention because okay, me I talk of some of my daughters now. He get one where be say, he go look me like so say, Daddy, you do okay, what did they do you today? He get the one where be say, go look, go just say, I don't want to I give Daddy attention. Now if he send me message. Immediately I begin see those vibes. I know the one where they give me quick attention, where they quick go message, come back. Where we say if I send him, if I say 5 minutes, he go use 4 minutes. That kind of one now go a quick send message where we say pertain to things where they important. The same thing for politics. You go know the one we say for office, he go reach 8 p.m. or 9, they do extra work. And you know the one we say by 5 p.m. they go meet in side chick. He go leave work for office. And because you know go do
all right.
Now reality we dey talk for here. Now good money. This show, now fire, now come do. I know that nobody hide that. True. Person side trick na your own wahala, but you go work the work where they put you first. And we know the one we say if they don't reach 3, now to go buy shoe or buy soup things now go do. So the person where they lead, know the person where they say if they commit himself to the work, and he knows say the work of governance no be small work. Make I tell you the one where they happen for Abuja now. We sleep, wake up, then carry Lawan. I can tell you for free, say, if to say na Oshibajo or Tinubu, they say na consensus candidate, all the while where they see since yesterday no go happen. The law where they put, now person will be say jump enter river, I go jump enter river, you don't go look the paperwork. And people know say, this man where you put for that position, we know what in Sabi, we know what in no Sabi, how we take arrive at that decision.
Thank you.
All right. Just let you know say phone lines go open now because I know say some of now. You don't they don't have for body say I won't put mouth for inside this talk where BC Kunnu carry come right now.
Yes.
Our guest, our bonge guest, phone line go soon they show for inside your screen and make you begin call us. Tell us what you think about everything we don't hear now. If you also send us WhatsApp messages, make you know your mind for this matter we be say we discuss. Is they okay for people to bring out person where they position to bring out person where go take over from and we don't they use them well for inside Nigeria. We also get Obonge reports concerning this matter where we say we go like touchlight so that we even understand this matter well. In fact, we could go take that report. When we come back, Kunnu will get more questions for you, and of course, we will take the take of our listeners then for inside the matter. We could go take the report when they come back.
Leadership succession na problem wey Nigeria don dey face since 1960. The way power dey take move from one government to another, tension dey always follow am. This tension dey tied to the fact say leaders dey impose on country people dem. Na common practice to see say governors wey dey comot and even presido dey always impose successors on top people and their political parties for Naija. For example, inside November 2021, Governor Obiano been bring him own candidate with Professor Chukwuma Soludo before him come out from office. Soludo been clinch the APGA governorship ticket, come win the main election that month. Sometime this year, before the current consensus matter, Oga Presido for one interview where him grant one station been say him get him own agenda as he consigned the person wey go succeed am, but him go keep the name of the person for him mind until time for primaries reach because he no want make them comot the person before the time. Governor Udo Emmanuel of Akwa Ibom State been also do the same thing. In most cases, the candidate dey anointed by the governor them where they win primaries very easily, or they no even they get challengers, mainly because the governor they control the structure of the political parties for their state. So it did look like say them they commode the role of voters and then they do anything to make sure say their preferred candidate win the position. This mindset they did very common for inside government house across the country. The outgoing governors and even the presidos them, they always do this. Now this mindset, they make them look like say voters no dey important for inside electoral process for the country, and it results say voters no dey too choke mind for election matter. Since President Buhari been grant that interview, one major question wey the Nigerians mind be say whether na the business of the president to choose who go succeed am, or it will allow democracy display in power.
All right, so I don't hear the matter. That report, it don't show us how succession carry over to carry over. It be like saying a handover. It be like saying a race, relay race. Now we say they use government.
You know the truth be say, anybody also, you know, I mean, don't talk about people where be say the government person cover their nyash if they don't thief money or they no lead well. So you go choose person where be say, you go see they open the treasury of the state give you. But another thing where they important be say, some of the leaders where they choose person where they take over from them, they don't see the people where be say their own not to just the thief. May I no lie for you here. Some people no feel cool. One of my friends had one bank. They employ one boy, make it work with them. The day where these are they tell you true life story. Their office there for Adeto Gumademola side. The day where they open the vault, where this boy see the vault like this, he just say, before God and man, he ain't go thief money for here when they I dey tell you now, I dey tell on, I know they tell on a movie.
Serious?
I know they tell on a movie. I dey tell on a true life story for this island where they so. He just say, before God and man, he ain't go thief, say he no go feel cope. The oga for the bank counts better money give and say, just write resignation. I respect, say you talk true. And then give a correct package, make him go continue in life. Because he talk true.
He knows say long through.
He knows say in weakness. Some people weakness na money.
So you feel say we don't use Nigeria, don't use this politics of succession well.
We never
use them positive.
We never really use them well. Because okay, make we look now. according to wetin Tinubu talk for the video wey be say don become wetin pass viral. He say dem knack Buhari for ground 3 times. Kpaka! He come begin cry for TV. As he dey cry, na him go Katsina go tell am say, Oga, wipe your tears. He give am serviette. As he clean his nose, he tell am say, Oga, you go do this thing wey you no wan do. You go first of all ask me why e be say for 2015, Tinubu go meet Buhari. They know say PDP don dey there for 16 years. They don't look the person for this country where it be like say, you know, they see money quick thief am. Although if you see people the thief come on high, because that waiting they happen with that. Buhari know the thief. But at times if people they carry for inside, they go just do like saying they do prayer for evening. It look one side, people go begin carry. Now the reality day, for 2015, why many Nigerians also vote and be say they know say this man, your hand clean. When them bring him for power, pursue Jonathan, go back to Otuoke. What he can do? After he don't first clear Sambisa, he begin give Nigeria hope. Later, I don't know whether it's a spiritual problem or not because he get health problem. Because the health problem when himself get, he say he never sick like that for his life. Whether not the enemies of the country give an arrow, bam. Because for Africa, arrow day. I not go come this studio, they deceive everybody, say because we go school, arrow day everywhere. The US was sit today now, Freemasons build US. So they understand the dimensions of the deeper side of life. So maybe now that arrow and recovery make and step down and say, I beg, Aisha still young and fine. No one lose out to another man.
Adeniyi.
And I still get grandchildren.
Sir, what may we just reason this matter, but then we'll collect this call from
Emeka, they call us from Lagos State.
Then we'll come back to you.
Okay, no
Emeka, good morning.
Good morning. Oh, like say
Like
Emeka
say we
still
don't
try
lose
to
Emeka
do.
call.
Okay, now wait first. Now make we take them back to you to talk about Buhari, our
Yes.
president. Now make us just ask you this one. Now Buhari bring out a statement when he tell all the governors say, I allow una do wetin una wan do.
Make una let me do my
Make una let me do my own. I get person I want me succeed me. Now, that context, a lot of people take that word, a lot of people take out of context. As far as Dilo Mira himself, even put out a statement, talk plenty talk. Now, from your own perspective, how you perceive that word to the normal political settings, the way do you think they move now?
Make I take you back to the national. Wait,
You be like say you go just
Wait, like say
no
we-
wahala.
back breaks. Make we take Emeka call back.
No
Emeka,
problem.
good morning.
Good morning.
Emeka, thank you as you join us.
Yes.
All right.
Good morning.
Good
Yeah,
morning,
good morning,
Shamali.
Emeka.
Talk your mind.
Go on with the
Yes, I
hear
want to contribute on what you're saying.
Okay, go
well
ahead.
done. Welcome.
Okay. You know, this secession is only good when the former man there is doing well and people know that he is doing well. And when you want to go, if you decide to put somebody there, people will not be annoyed. But when you are doing bad, you are not doing good, they want to put somebody there. There's something behind it.
Okay.
Don't say there is something that the man want to hide. Or they want to hide. If you are doing good and people know that you are doing good,
Okay.
if you want to put somebody there, people will agree for you to put. Because you did good. You did something that
Okay,
people
All right,
thank
thank
you,
you,
well,
Emeka. We
Emeka.
get your
We don't
point.
understand
So
it,
you
Emeka.
want
So
to
just
say-
respond to
I
Emeka
agree
first.
with you.
Doing good, guarantee say the next person you go bring, he go do good like you.
You know they guarantee, but you know go use spiritual means they talk about politics. Now what you see for I go take decide.
All right.
Because for everything we no turn out good. No be say person we put person down don't see say this person go destroy something. But that makes some people be say anytime when they want choose person, apart from say the thing way they do, they go also go look at spiritually to see say you sure say this person no go destroy person so because it dey happen. If na country we get law we solid, we know say person we don't do right. Opportunity fit dey for them to remove am. For Nigeria, if you enter position, you die there.
All right. Like
right,
say we
but
get another
Shamali
call
take
for
Chukudi
Chukudi
call.
from
Chukudi,
Imo
good
State.
morning.
Chukudi, fire down. We dey hear you.
How now they?
We dey-
Side, how your side?
We thank God
All
for.
right, Shapali,
morning.
talk your mind.
You see, if you search our history book very well, you will discover say most people will bring their successor. You know, they end well at the end of the day. If you look at Imo State, for example, Achiku Denwa will be governor for 8 years. After they come up, you can bring Ikedo Hakim,
Yes.
will stay only 4 years. You know, end well between the two. You know, end well.
True.
If you look for other states, Ojus or Kalu, the time will be governor. In successor will be Theodoji. Theodoji, the EFCC net. he come do election, carry the whole vote, give him, they come release and he come be governor. You know, end well between the two as we speak this morning.
True.
Go to Anambra, Peter Obi, where they there for
so just go straight to your question. We know all of this history then.
The kind of give Obia, no? As I they speak today, you know, end well. So the thing, the list is countless. So the thing is there is people must have the priority of bringing who succeeds them.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Well, I believe that Chukudi they try to answer the previous person. Because if you do good well, I believe say the next person you go bring.
You know, okay, make we look Willie Obiano, we get problem now. The person we in support choose. Now, the person where people believe say get sense to lead Imo State. So Professor, yes.
Yes, Anambra State.
Anambra State. Willie Obiano now, him and EFCC get issue. They don't call him passport. Say, okay, you know, go your house for you to stay Naija. Answer the thing where we say you don't do right. But Soludo, now person where we see say is sabi what they do. So if you go say bad man, they produce good person. But at times, good person also produce good person. Because the blueprint for Lagos, for instance, forget about the current Wala way Tinubu and APC people they get. Tinubu bring blueprints to develop Lagos. He bring another good person, Fashola, to lead Lagos. Now, when Fashola won't go, Fashola won't do his own, bring person. Tinubu bring somebody. Again, he stand by Ambode. Because Ambode believes, say, maybe the way that they run Lagos, no, they okay. Ambode and Tinubu no agree. Fashola also, you don't create mantra. May your loyalty not be tested. That one said fly. From loyalty not be tested. Loyalty now don't be tested again for your guy when you use the statement for. Fashola come out, then do. Tinubu again bring the current governor. So you find out, say, at times don't be like that. If you go Kanu, Kwakwanso bring the current governor, Ganduje. As he bring and finish, so now so wahala dey. So
you don't have for different
from Miriam.
Just take Miriam.
Miriam, welcome.
Miriam, good morning.
Good morning once again.
Thank you.
Good morning, Miriam.
Godfatherism have never done this country any good. Godfatherism is the head cause of corruption in this country. Godfatherism is the situation that turned this country to be in this war pit that we find ourselves. It's not Godfatherism is a killer, and I think we should abort Godfatherism. Let us look for individual candidates. Every man has a mind of his own. When you get there, you do your own pattern, do your own thing. But we should stand on continuity. Every project that the other person has finished, let the not complete. The other person needs to finish it. But Godfatherism is a killer. Thank you.
Thank you. So talking about Godfatherism, just waiting to talk now. You mentioned Lagos and the blueprint and how
I don't want to make this lady confuse political succession with
and
Godfatherism.
I understand.
The two no be the same.
Different, yeah.
When we talk about Godfatherism, it means say those people, they even operate outside of the tenets of the law to impose people. If you talk of Godfatherism, where they bring them from? The movie Godfather, we get series. And they bring them from there because we know how Italian Americans, they take control illegal markets of goods, of supply, of production. So when you talk of politics, when politics ritual say somebody a godfather, that means that the person, regardless of whether person even sabi something, now the bad soul will surrender, I go want make them do it.
All right, make we sharply take John first. John, good morning.
Welcome.
John, you there? With a lot of okay, so talking about the Lagos blueprint and the movement and all of that, with the kind of wealth of commercial capital we be say Lagos the control. You feel say Lagos on they so progressive so
no, not lie. You see,
because they talk say government after government they maintain the thing everything they work well. So
make all of us understand. When something good, you talk say good. When it bad, you talk say bad. When Tinubu entered government for 1999 as governor, Lagos IGR now about 600 million naira. After first 2 years, it become like 2 billion. Lagos now, no, they earn anything less than 40 billion in a calendar year in terms of revenue. But if we look Lagos don't turn to waiting, I know Sabi, because the people where they get opportunity for power don't carry area boys, area fathers to position where we say they're not supposed to be, make them occupy places for the selfish interest of some people who want secure votes because they don't care about development other than make them secure votes. For that one, we go say that succession itself don't get comma, and it don't get parenthesis, and it don't get semicolon, because it go soon get full stop, so that we go know what we do.
All right, we'll go back to John, then we'll look whether we'll see some
welcome.
WhatsApp messages. John, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning.
So, Chico, good morning.
I greet you, John. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. The issue of this successor and the big problem where we get for this country with that. Why I say so? You say, the one way don't sit down, they don't pack in relation, put on there. They pack waiting, they won't pack, they don't go. 4 years come, they don't go. Whether not 8 years, they don't go. Then they go carry another person, come, say, oh yeah, go sit down there, chop your own. Now that is why this country they go down every day by day. Because when you bring first income, that one go say, this one don't chop. That's why you see, when they come like that, the successor will get problem with the person who put there. Because he won't chop and pass the person who put there. And that one go say, okay, I no chop like that. Why you won't come chop like this? Now their problem go happen. Then go fight themselves. This kata go start. No, this kind of thing not supposed to be happen for this country.
Okay, thank you, John.
All right, thank you, John. So
Let me just come back to that very word I talk when you could just go cap all these words. Now, the issue of President Muhammadu Buhari,
Yes.
talking about his successor and telling all the governors, "Una don't do now, madu now." Now, link him up to the present APC chairman talk when he say he want to bring a consensus candidate.
You know,
Now, looking at all these things, waiting you go make of her.
well, I no go like make it be say, they say whether they talk about the president, na another person they talk am. I remember when Adams Oshomole did here, he gets on things so we say Buhari go talk with him mouth. Other one where Abdullah Adamu they talk, I know say na him be the spokesperson of the party, being the party leader, na him supposed to talk some things. But if matter don't turn to young pepper scatter like this, you go expect say make the president self talk because in the get meetings with them back and forth. What they talk to be say, at first when they say they won't do consensus, they won't do primaries, the president go Malabo. He come from Malabo, he go Ghana, he come from Ghana. What I mean be say when house won't scatter like this, Papa go put a leg down, wife go hold on, children go keep quiet. Make Papa will be head of home again talk. This one a very serious matter. We say that they call his name. If to say Abdullah Adamu say the party don't decide, say now the consensus candidate be this, he no put Buhari name. We for say no wala. But I say Buhari don't talk say according to consensus. Now this one, and don't forget say where the confusion also join. The same Buhari they say I never anoint anybody. So when
he even still talk early this morning, say make delegates and go do their
work.
Make delegates don't do their work. He no get any preferred candidate. But he be not talking before saying get preferred candidate.
See, my sister, make a no life for you. Buhari as he dey so, he know those will be James Bond for inside that APC aspirants.
Okay.
He know the people will be say they really like this country. Me I no life for you. Some people now waiting they want chop, keep for generation where they never marry. Now they won't do.
All right, Kunnu Shapali just take some message with here.
No
This
wala.
particular message say good morning to Wazobia people. I remain Peter Okechukwu from Onitsha. He say God bless you, Mr. Adeniyi. You have said it all. I am enjoying this matter. And a true Nigeria story. Now they tell us be that.
Now the reality, but make I no life on the matter we say that they take call Buhari name now. Since your name they involved, you go come say, now true, say my name they involved. Me I believe say. Inside all these people who won't become president. Because you don't reach where you go, you don't talk with half mouth. Carry the remaining half of your mouth, join the matter, talk and finish. There is no way.
So if you're saying they sit in the fence, basically.
If they sit for fence now, they go call your name for matter. Then you come back say, make them go out. They'll call, tomorrow morning, they'll call your name again. See, make I no lie for you. After I meet with Northern
time
governor.
no day, we need to run. We need to run. Thank you.
No, yeah,
We
no, so
don't say
we'll bring you
leave
another time
Well,
again.
but
When we come talk this
attack
stuff.
on a son, bring me now.
Thank
So.
you.
Make
Okay,
God
I would
help
like me you come again.
no, Wala, may God help you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
well.
Adeniyi Kunnu, now of course broadcast journalist and social commentator. He's a bit put him up for waiting to happen for inside Nigeria. Well, you see the energy where he carry bring out, they talk the thing well. So you gonna know saying a man with sabi for inside this matter well. All right, now here be say go back break inside the program. Time don't go. You don't need to go pack a load they go. Remember, say make you follow the station for all their social media handle. All this matter then don't they posted. I know say you yourself go want to come out put. Oh yeah, go follow us on inside of Twitter at wazobiatv.ng and of course at Wazobia Max TV. On top of Instagram, na Wazobia Max TV and wazobiatv.ng. Facebook, na the same thing. My name, na Precious Enyi. On top of Instagram, I'll be Precious Enyi official. And for Twitter, I'll be Precious_Enyi. Kunnu Shapali, tell us your social media handle.
My social, for Facebook, I'll be Adeniyi Kunnu. For Twitter, at Mountain777. Are they IG as Adeniyi Kunnu? Are they LinkedIn?
Okay.
Are they a full ground for everywhere?
Thank you, Oga Adeniyi, for your time. We take on give us. And now for here, we go for wrap up. My name still remain Ochuko Omiragwa. If you follow me on top of my Instagram, at Chief Ochuko. Bye bye. We'll see you tomorrow.